Hello and welcome to another SkyCiv tutorial. My name is Johnny and today I'll be showing you how to use the scale tool in our brand new software CloudCAD. Now the scale tool is really useful for when geometry or imported plans are not the correct size. To begin using the tool, what you need to do is highlight and then activate the tool on the right by either pressing the button or using the default shortcut for all CloudCAD users, SC. This will now prompt you to set a center point and then enter a scale factor. I'm going to enter the scale factor 3 because I want my floor plan to be 3 times the size. Now I'm pressing enter, and now I'm double pressing Z here to automatically center all elements on my canvas. Now the scale function works both ways as well. So highlighting everything, pressing SC, I'm now setting my center point and I want my scale factor to be 0.5. This also works with other elements such as rectangles and circles. So I'm going to hatch this rectangle as well. Now I'm going to highlight, activate the tool. I'm setting my center point and I want this to be twice the size. Do the same thing with the circle here. Highlight, activate the tool, set the middle point, and I want it to be half the size. Scaling also works with images as well. So I'm going to wipe this canvas and then I'm going to drag and drop an image from my desktop. Now what you can do is once this image is on your canvas, you double click it and this brings up the image scaling options. So one is by length and then one is by the scale factor. We're going to do by length first. So I'm pressing by length and all you need to do is scale by a known measurement on your image. So I'm clicking a point where I think is right and then I'm holding shift here as well to maintain along the x-axis. Make sure that it's straight. And then once I'm happy with that, I'm clicking again, and all I need to do is type in the measurement that it says on the image. So 10,505. Press enter. Close this, and now another tip, double press Z, fits it to your canvas. The other option here is image scaling by the scale factor, where you can just type in a number, but it's definitely better to be using image scaling by length. Another useful tool is update origin here, where if I want my origin to be in the center of my canvas, it is now centered. And that's how you use the scaling tools in our brand new software CloudCAD.